Okay, I'm just opening boxes while I wait and see if Moon wants to play. It says, let's go. Okay. Oh shit, 2 legendaries? Wait, this one's not even a duplicate? Nice. We'll equip that one. It's been going. Seagull the Rooster makes rooster noises instead of Ganymede noises.
I make this look good.
Oh.
Now entering the
Here we go.
of Anubis. Select your hero.
Also, Kihada reached up for 7 months. Thank you, Kihada. And Arash AK1 doing $15. What the heck?
New phone.
Hello.
Hello. And he said, "You're awesome and best Overwatch player. I wish one day I'll be half as good as you, XD. Love from Dubai."
Shiny.
Damn. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Shit. We lost one.
Uh-oh. I had one of those weird bugs where he said he was gonna leave, need to restart, and it still left us in a match.
Piece of that guy's rank points.
Yeah.
Ooh, 3 purples.